What if one camera could shoot everything from every angle and never miss a moment? Stay with us, you're about to see how the Osmo 360 just redefined what's possible in 8K. For more updates, subscribe our channel. This is the brand new DJI Osmo 360, the camera that doesn't just record your adventures, it amplifies them. And in the next 2 minutes, you'll understand why it's blowing minds around the world. With stunning native 8K resolution, every frame is packed with lifelike detail. We're talking cinematic clarity that turns every adventure into a masterpiece. No pixel wasted, no memory blurred, just pure breathtaking quality. Filming under the stars, activate Super Night mode and keep the shots clean, crisp, and dynamic, even in near darkness. Combine it with 10-bit D-Log-M color and your editing game just leveled up effortlessly. Stretch reality with dramatic slow motion at up to 100 frames per second. Freeze a waterfall mid-air. Capture that one perfect jump, or time-lapse an entire day in seconds. With Osmo 360, time bends for your creativity. The invisible selfie stick creates unreal third-person perspectives like a drone that follows you everywhere. Flip into selfie mode with one touch and you're the center of the story. Not just in the frame, leading it. Shot something in 360? Reframe it on your phone, vertically, horizontally, zoomed in, cinematic. This isn't post-production, this is post-magic. One capture, infinite stories. Mount it, snap it, shoot instantly. Thanks to quick release tech, you're always ready. Go from 0 to filming in under 5 seconds. Battery running low, swap in the extension rod and go the distance. Literally. Your voice matters. That's why we've paired it with the DJI mic series. Studio-grade audio wherever you go. And yes, it syncs instantly with your footage. Combine that with rock-steady stabilization and there's no terrain too wild. Whether you're vlogging or filming high-speed action, Active Track locks onto your subject with precision. Then, edit on the fly using DJI Mimo or export pro level with DJI Studio. Your edit suite? It's already in your pocket. You didn't come here for average, you came to tell stories the world's never seen. And now, you can. This is the camera you didn't know you needed until now. Don't wait, cameras like this don't come often, and they definitely don't stay in stock. Tap the link below. Experience Osmo 360 today. Capture everything.